Hey guys, how are you all doing? My name is Ruchi and welcome back to Create with Ruchi. So it has been raining since morning and my kids has been asking for burgers. So because of the lockdown and the fear that we have inside due to this pandemic, we are not interested to go out and enjoy our favorite burgers. So I decided to make everything from the scratch, from the bun to the patty, and I'm sure you must be facing the same problem that I am facing. So I decided to share my favorite bun recipe with you guys. This is gonna be so much fun because these buns are so soft and so fluffy that they will melt in your mouth. Many of you who knows me personally knows how passionate I am about my baking, so I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. So without any further delay, let's get started. I'm showing you guys how fluffy and soft these buns are. These buns doesn't have eggs, so a vegetarian lover also can eat them and enjoy these buns. You can serve this with tea, you can create burger with this and many other recipes using these buns. And I guarantee that they will melt in your mouth. Let's see the ingredients to make these buns. We'll start with maida, which is also known as all-purpose flour. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to make the paste and a little extra to dust on the surface while making the dough. 2 tablespoons oil. Try not to use the strong flavored ones. 2 tablespoons of corn flour, which is also known as cornstarch. 1.5 tablespoons butter. You have salted or unsalted, you can use either one. 3 tablespoons milk powder. Milk powder gives the smooth and soft texture to these buns, but if you don't have milk powder, you can skip that. 2 tablespoons dry yeast. Always use very good quality of yeast while making the bread or buns. I'll try to share the link of the yeast what I use. 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Sugar helps the yeast to activate. That is why sugar is very essential while making the bread or buns. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a cup regular milk. Let's start the process of making these beautiful and fluffy buns. Here I have taken a pan. Add milk, salt, 2 tablespoons maida, all-purpose flour. Now we will start mixing this milk and all-purpose flour. Mix very well, there should be no lumps. Now you can see this is very well combined, there is no lump. Add butter to this mix. Now start cooking this. Keep the flame on very low, otherwise this mixture will burn. Also keep stirring it, otherwise this will stick to the bottom. Slowly you will see the butter will start melting and the paste will start forming. Always keep the flame low and keep stirring. This paste is almost ready. Switch off the flame. This should look like this. Never overcook this paste. Allow this to cool down a little. Let's prepare the dough for the buns. For that we need bread flour, which we don't have. So first we will create the bread flour while using the all-purpose flour. In that I'll add corn flour or cornstarch. For each cup of flour I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour. I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix everything, they should be very well incorporated. Now in another bowl add half a cup of warm water. Add the sugar and mix. Add milk powder, dry yeast and mix everything. Leave this mixture for 7 to 10 minutes for yeast to activate. After 7 minutes you will see this has become foamy. This shows that the yeast has activated. Now we will add the flour. Also add the milk, butter and flour paste. Now we will mix everything and prepare a dough out of this. If you have a bigger vessel, you can use that also. We need to prepare a very soft dough, so if you feel that you need to add little more water, you can add. Add half a tablespoon at a time. Otherwise the dough will become very sticky and we will end up using more dry flour. Now all the flour has come together. We will transfer this to the flat surface and start kneading. Initially this will be very sticky, so little gradually we will add oil. That will make the kneading easy. We will knead this dough for about 25 to 30 minutes. Kneading the dough is the key process of making any perfect bread or any bun. Friends, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed it yet, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for all the new videos. After kneading for 30 minutes, this dough is ready. Now the same bowl we will grease with some oil. Then we will roll the dough into a ball. Transfer the dough ball into the greased bowl and grease the dough with little oil. Then cover the bowl with a lid or cling wrap if you have and leave this for 1 hour. After 1 hour you will see the dough has doubled in its size. This is because of the yeast that we used. Now collect the dough and knead it for another 5 minutes. You will see the dough has become very stretchy now. It means this is perfectly done. After 5 minutes of kneading, sprinkle some dry flour on the surface and make a log out of this dough. Then divide the dough into 6 parts and make sure all the parts are equal. Here I have taken the baking tray and that I have greased with some oil. Now take one piece of dough and turn it into a round ball like this and place that on tray. Similar way we will prepare other dough. While placing on the tray, give a little space in between. Once all the balls are placed, add some sesame seeds on top and press them gently. Once they all are ready with the sesame seeds, cover them with a cotton cloth and let them rest for 1 hour. In this 1 hour only they will rise to their size and ready to bake. After 1 hour you will see they have doubled in their size. This is why we gave space in between all the dough. With the help of brush a little bit of oil on top of these buns. Oil will get them beautiful golden color on top. Now they are set to bake. I have preheated the oven on 200 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the tray in the oven and let them bake for about 20 to 25 minutes depending on the oven. After 20 minutes, these hamburger buns are ready. Remove them from the oven and immediately grease some butter on top of these buns so that they don't lose their softness and they remain shiny. Friends, any question or suggestion, please comment in the comment box. Right now they are very hot, so we will let them rest for 5 minutes to get them cold. After 5 minutes, our delicious and very fluffy buns are ready. As you can see in the bottom also they are nicely cooked. Let's see from inside. As you can see they are nicely cooked and they look very soft. Friends, I will share the links of many other delicious recipes in the description box below. Please check out. Friends, you can see how easy this recipe was. You can make any kind of burger with these buns or you can have them with tea. Friends, if you liked my recipe, then please give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. You can connect with me on Instagram or on Facebook page with Create with Ruchi. For now, bye bye.